guys, welcome to another vlog. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. I'm getting ready to go to work and just wanted to show you something. So you guys, you remember I bought this sunscreen from iHub. It's for tanning, you guys. It's not supposed to apply it on my face. I did and it was burning me. I got a new from Noon. I got a new one. It's a Korean sunscreen. I'll show you. Packaging is nice. So this is it. It's a Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50 plus PA plus, like too much pluses. This is it, you guys. It's so little. It's so small. I hope it works, you guys. I hope it's nice. So I got myself this one. For this, I think I'm going to be using it on my body. That's what I'm going to do, not on my face, because when I applied it on my face, I started getting rashes and I was feeling like my face is burning. Yeah, so I stopped using it. I'll be using it on my body. Hello, hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. We just received my E&money card, you guys. I applied for a card, a physical card. I've been using Apple Pay and Samsung Wallet, but later I decided to get a physical card. Yeah, applied for it like yesterday and then today they delivered it. So already opened it because I was doing a TikTok video, and you guys, I have a code. If you use that code, you'll get 20 dirhams free. All you need to do is go to your Play Store or you go to your Apple Store, upload the app E&money. The word is like this. Fill in the information that they are going to ask you, and then after that you need to have an Emirates ID for you to do that. So after that, filling in everything, you are going to start using your app. That app, you can use it to send money wherever you want to send it. You can use it to buy things online. You know, there are online apps where you want to buy something and they ask for a card. You can't pay. They don't have the option for cash on delivery. You can use the E&money card to do that. So this is my card, you guys. I'm not going to show you because YouTube doesn't like that. I don't want my video to be taken down. So this is my card. This is how it came. It is inside, you guys. It's inside. So this is it. Yeah, it's here and it was delivered by Aramex. Yeah, this is my card, you guys. I'm going to put for you my code. If you use that one, when you're sending money for the first time, 500, you'll get 20 dirhams free. So yeah, guys, that's it for E&money. I got my card. And then another thing, I just received my makeup. You got my makeup from She Glam. I can't wait for this journey to start. I think I'm going to start learning around Feb because this whole January I'm busy. I'm a bit busy, you guys. You know, I'm working inside and outside, so I'm a bit busy. So I will start in Feb. I got my things, you guys, and my boss's daughter helped me to search for the makeup since I don't know. She helped me to choose the makeup, my color, and stuff because she knows how to do makeup. She's a makeup girly. Okay, and I'm about to be a makeup girly too. So I'm going to show you guys. I've already opened the bag. Okay, let me be honest with you. I opened the bag and I was doing a video. I found out after doing a video that my phone, there is no voice. The microphone was not recording, you guys. There was no voice. So now I am doing it again. I'm redoing it. That is the hard thing about being a content creator. Anyways, number one, first thing first, I'm going to show you guys. Wait, I put you here. First thing first, we got eyelashes. This. I got the makeup brushes. It's a set, you guys. I think they are like 20 something, 22. I got these sponges. There is also something for washing the blushes, the makeup brush, and then the sponge. They gave me this bag also, this cute pink bag. And then we got this eyeshadow palette. It's heavy, you guys. I got concealer. This one. This is a lip liner. I need to shoot also TikTok content for this one. Is blush. This is a mascara with the lipstick set. Actually, I got two by mistake. This is foundation, you guys. My shade. I see stick something something. I don't know what is this. We shall find out. This is it. This is a powder, setting powder, contour, liquid contour. This, and then brow gel. Then I got this primer, hydrating primer. It's kind of small in size. I think that's it, you guys. That's all that we got for makeup, you guys. And I can't wait for this journey to start. Another good news, you guys. Someone commented on my video that I uploaded, my last video that I uploaded, and she's a makeup artist from Dubai. She commented saying that she's offering me a free makeup class. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm yet to contact her so that I can see how, if she meant it. So I'm yet to contact her and see, you guys. I can't wait. I'll be letting you know, and I can't wait to start this journey. You guys, I've always wanted to learn how to do makeup, but I keep saying it. I keep saying it. I don't do it. But this time I'm serious, you guys. So we are going to start our journey. This journey, I think I'm going to start around Feb, because this whole month I'm very busy. Another good news, your girl is expecting a PR package from a very big company. Okay, that's how we start. After that, they will just call me. We are going to pay you to create content. I just want to be serious on this content thing, you guys. So I'm expecting a PR package. They just called me that the delivery guy is coming, and I can't wait to share it with you. So when they come, I'm going to show you guys also. I'm going to do the unboxing. I show you guys so that you can see. Okay, that's it, you guys, for now. Let me go get ready and I go to work. Hi everyone, I am back, you guys. I know I ghosted you, but I'm back. So today I'm unboxing my first ever PR package as a content creator. You guys, I've never received a PR package, and today is the best day in my life. And I hope and I pray that this first PR package opens more doors for me. Even the packages of working with paid collaborations, I pray for that, and I really want that, you guys. Guess what, you guys, where my first ever PR package is coming from? It's from Palmer's, you guys. Palmer's sent me a package, as you can see here. I love the box, you guys, and I'm going to show you what's inside right now. Guys, these are the products that Palmer's sent me. First thing first is this skin therapy cleansing oil. It's for the face, you guys. This is it. And then we got coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack. This is for the hair, you guys. And then we got this one, cocoa butter biotin pack. This also for the hair. So I have this lip balm. Ta-da! This skin therapy oil. This one is for the face. Sent me coconut hydrate body oil. This is it, you guys. Put magic cocoa butter. I've already, I used this. I got it from Amazon, I think 2 years ago. This is the best. If you have cracked feet, you guys, your feet, your feet are very rough. This is it is magic. You need to try it and see. I've used it and I can testify. This cocoa butter softens rough and dry skin. This one, you guys. Last but not least, this one also, it's a lotion. This is cream and this is lotion, you guys. That's it from my first ever PR package. That is it that they sent me, and I'm just going to create a video for them on TikTok and here on YouTube. So guys, I'll be giving you my honest review after using them. But for the food, this one, you guys, this works wonders if you have cracked feet. Trust me, use this one. I've used this before, I know, but I bought the bigger one. This is the smaller one. I bought the bigger one and it was amazing. I even gave it to my coworker and she was shocked, you guys, for the results. So if you have cracked feet, grab yourself this Foot Magic cocoa butter from Palmer's. My second package from Noon, it's here. I'm going to show you guys it. So I got this is a Dove Go Fresh moisturizing cream. This is for the underarms. So I got 3. That is how I save money, you guys. I buy things in bulk so that I don't keep on buying things every now and then. So I got this 3 of them. And I got this, my lips are dark, kind of dark, so I got this lightening lip scrub. This is how it looks like. So that's it in this box. Then this one, you guys, this might seem like I bought a lot of things, but that's how Noon is. When you buy things, they just bring one. I don't know why. I think they are from different places. So I wanted a scrub, you guys. I'm tired of making scrub, so I wanted a scrub, and I got mine. I got myself this scrub. It's a brightening body scrub from Cosmo, and this is how it looks like. I hope it works, but it's small. Maybe in a month or 2 months it will be done. I got these waxing strips. In case you don't know, you guys, I make myself wax at home. I use sugar and lemon. So I got these. I'll be using them to do my waxing. We have this big box packet. This video is all about unboxing, you guys. Imagine how many things are in this box. Only 2 things. Okay. So I got myself this. These are serums. It's a kit. It has 3 of them. So I'm going to show you guys. Wait a bit. I first get this. This is my tripod, you guys. I've always wanted a long tripod, and this is it. This here, you guys. I'll put for you a picture how it looks like on the screen because I'm using the phone, so I can't take a picture for you. So I would open it and I take a picture. I will put it on the screen in case you want to buy one. So guys, this is how it looks like. Very cute. It's so cute. Someone need to give me they are 4, but they are very little, like too much small. These are like testers, so you need to test and see which one works for you. This is a glow serum, and this one is revive serum, this one here, and this one is grow deep serum, this one is calming serum. So I'm going to try them out and see. Yeah, so that's it that I got from Noon and my PR package, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. In case you're new here, please do not forget subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye guys.